Welcome to Corel Video Studio Pro Quick Tutorials. The next tutorial is the second step, which is the major part of video production. Click on the Edit tab, and that takes you to a whole bunch of choices. But the first thing we're going to cover is how we get to our clips that we already captured and how to put them into the timeline. So it's very simple. We created a folder in our previous lesson, Alligator. I created that, and it put the clips inside of that folder, or I call it a collection. Now I'm going to take each of the videos and put them on the timeline. So all you have to do is hold the mouse button down, select the clip, and drag it onto the timeline. Over here to the right, you can see that I can zoom in and zoom out of the timeline. Now it doesn't make the clip longer or shorter, it just appears longer and shorter because it's magnifying it so that you can get closer in smaller increments based on the time. So you can see as I click on the minus sign, notice how the range is increased. It hasn't changed the size of the clip, it just lets me make it smaller so I can see more clips on my timeline. So watch when I zoom out, I'm going to pick another clip, place it on the timeline, and another clip. And all I'm doing is clicking and dragging the clips. Now if I want to change the order, all I have to do is click on a clip that I want. It will highlight in a yellow box, and I just move it over. And you can see wherever that line, that white line, is where it will place the clip. So you can change the order of clips real easily, and it moves all the other clips by itself automatically. So a very easy way to keep it in the order that you want. Now if you want to see each of the thumbnails without this long space to show how long the clips are, you can go to the thing called the storyboard view. And that view allows you to look at individual clips, and you can do the same exact thing. You can drag them to a different order. And that's all there's to it, to placing clips on a timeline and changing the order.